Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn how to add a watermark in Excel, both picture and text step by step. Add a picture watermark. First, go to the View tab and select Page Layout. Now click on the header area of your sheet. You'll notice Excel divides it into 3 sections, left, center and right. We'll use one of these sections to add our watermark. Next, go to the Header and Footer tab and click on Picture. Here you'll see 3 options: from a file, Bing Image Search, OneDrive. I'll select from a file. Now choose your image. A PNG file usually works best for a watermark, but other formats work too. Click Insert and Excel will automatically add the watermark. You'll see a picture written in the header section. That means the image is inserted. Format the watermark. Right now, the watermark might look too large, so let's resize it. Go back to the Header and Footer tab and click Format Picture. Under Size, you can change the dimensions in inches. Let's set the scale to 40%. Now it looks much better. Next, let's make it look more like a real watermark. Again, click Format Picture, and under Picture Settings, you'll find color options. Choose Washout and click OK. Now it's perfectly subtle. If the watermark is too high, you can adjust its position easily. Click inside the header again, press Enter a few times to move it down, and then click back on the sheet. The position will update instantly. To remove the watermark, just go back into the header, select everything, and press Delete or Backspace. Add a text watermark. Now let's add a text watermark instead. Click in the header again and simply type your text, for example, watermark. You can customize it just like any other text. Change the font style, adjust the font size, or change the color. You can also move the text up or down by pressing Enter, just like we did for the image. And to delete it, again, select the text in the header and press Delete.